Hello my dear students, welcome back. Today we will have a new unit which is Unit 5. So take care with me and try to concentrate more and more. Let's start. Our unit for today is talking about achievements and many achievements that we will have. But before we will go deep to this unit, we will have this movie, so go and we will come back. Okay, the first section that we have is the vocabulary. We will have new vocabulary for today, which is talking about achievements. So bring your paper and pen and come with me. Our unit is talking about achievements, okay? And I want you to say it ach. It's not chi, no, okay? So it's achievements. Achievements معناها الإنجازات. الإنجاز اللي أنت بتحققه أو أي حاجة أنت بتعملها وشايفها إنجاز، so هتتحط تحت بند achievements. The first one or the first vocabulary that we have is genius. Genius. Please repeat after me. عايزاك تقول ورايا دايما الكلام علشان تنطقه بشكل صح. Okay, it's not genius. No, never. عمرك ما تقولها كده. It's genius. Okay. What do you mean by genius? Yes, right. Genius, it means a person with a very highly developed brain. Okay. يعني لما الشخص يكون عنده developed brain يعني ذهنه أو عقله بيكون very developed متطور جدا وبيعرف يعمل حاجات بشكل خارق. So I can say he is very genius. عبقري. Yes, great. Number 2, graduate. What do you mean by graduate? Graduate, it means that when you finish your university, لما تخلص اليونيفرسيتي الجامعة خالص, so you're going to graduate, انك تتخرج, okay? And you are going to be graduated, متخرج أو خريج. So this is the meaning of graduate. So repeat after me, graduate. Then we have intelligent. Intelligent. What do you mean by intelligent? Intelligent, it means very quick to learn and understand things. So again, it means very quick to learn and understand things. يعني لما تكون ذكي كده وبتعرف تستوعب بسرعة وتتعلم بسرعة, so you are very intelligent. Okay? And there is a difference between intelligent and genius. Genius يعني أنت عندك developed brain. إنما سريع كده في المذاكرة وسريع في الفهم يبقى أنت intelligent. Skill. Skill. What do you mean by skill? Skill actually it means the ability. مقدرتك إنك تعمل حاجة معينة, so you have the skill. You have the skill to do this. We have here a new word which is some. Some. What do you mean by some? Yes, right. Some students بيقولوا المسائل بتاعة الماثematics, الماث, الرياضة. Yes, excellent. Math problem to work out. Math problem to work out. المسائل بتاعة الرياضة اللي المفروض تحلها بيتقال عليها some. Then we have computer programming. Again, computer programming. Fine. What do you mean by computer programming? Actually, computer programming, it means writing the systems that make a computer work. يعني السيستم اللي بيشغل الكمبيوتر اللي بيعملوا البروجرامرز. وبيخلي الكمبيوتر يشتغل، ده اسمه computer programming، برمجة الكمبيوتر. And by the way, it's not computer programmer for example اللي هو آخرها ER أو آخرها مثلا ED. No, it must be with ING, computer programming. Then we have software. Software. What do you mean by software? Yes, excellent. Software, it's different system used by computer. الكمبيوتر لما بيجي يستخدم الابليكيشنز اللي بيتحط عليه actually بيتقال عليها السوفت وير. السوفت وير بتاع الكمبيوتر، السيستم اللي بيشغل الكمبيوتر. Then we have a word. Yes, right. حد لسه كنا لسه معرفين كلمة a word من شوية. And there was someone who said that it's a prize. Yes, right. A word actually it means a prize given for an achievements. Any prize that you have to give if you have an achievement. Okay, fine. So then we will have the opposites and prepositions. في أي unit عندنا we have to understand and concentrate on opposites الكلمة وعكسها and the prepositions الكلمة ومعاها حرف الجر بتاعها. Fine. We said before the meaning of ability. القدرة، مقدرة, skill. But what is the opposite of ability? Yes, right. Excellent. سمع حد بيقول inability. Okay. So ability, the opposite of it, inability. يبقى بحط قبلها كلمة in, prefix. Prefix يعني ال part of a word that comes at the beginning of a word to have different meaning. Okay, better or better. Better in American and better in British. Okay, الاتنين pronunciation الاتنين نطق الاتنين يعتبروا صح. طيب the better it means something which is excellent يعني كويس جدا. Okay, the opposite of better it's going to be, yes, right, it's going to be worse. Okay, again it's going to be worse. Fine, let's see. Able. Yes, right. احنا أخدنا كلمة able قبل كده. يبقى برافو عليكم سمعكم بتقولوا the opposite of able is unable. Unable. Okay. But I have to add the prefix which is unable. Then we will see the other thing which is the prepositions. الكلمة ومعاها حرف جر. Fine. So on shows. On shows actually it means what? That I have something which is on shows. لما بيكون عندي حاجة on shows يعني في العرض أو خلاص هتتعرض. Okay. بس ما بقولش in. عمري ما بقول in. أنا لازم أقول on. يبقى take care of this لأنه العربي عندنا بيختلف عن الإنجليش. ممكن تترجم حاجة بالعربي تبقى معناها في بس هي معناها بالإنجليش on على. Okay. So again on shows. Fall over. Fall over it means that he is going to fall. بيقع من على حاجة. Okay. So he falls over from the mountain, for example. Okay. Then the third one is hear about. Hear about, when you hear about something, so you know about it. انت لما بتيجي تسمع عن حاجة فبتعرفها. Okay. أنا سمعت عن الدكتور الفلاني. يبقى انت كده لازم تستخدم ال preposition about. Okay. I heard about this doctor before and he is very good. يبقى again I have to use about. on shows, fall over, hear about. Fine. Then we will have the language notes. The language notes, so it's time for concentrating and for your pen and paper. Jot down with me. We have decide to. Decide to plus infinitive. Decide to, it means that you will take a decision or you decided something to do something and you're going to tell others about it. Okay. أهم حاجة أخد بالي منها إني بعد كلمة decide بيجي الverb بيجي الpreposition to وبيجي الverb بعده infinitive يعني without any additions من غير أي إضافات. Let's see an example to make it clear. Mahmoud decided to finish school first. Mahmoud decided to finish school first. يبقى محمود took a decision هو أخذ قرار. Here عندنا أخذنا بالنا إنه كلمة decided جي وراها to and then الverb بتاعي هو finish اللي هو ينهي without any additions من غير أي إضافات جي في الانفينيتيف. Okay, let's see the second one which is do a sum. It equals work out a sum. لسه من شوية قلنا كلمة sum معناها yes excellent. It's like a mathematic problem that you have to work out or to solve it. يعني مسألة رياضية أنت لازم تكون بتحلها. تمام؟ fine. طيب بيعمل حل المسألة دي أو بيعمل المسألة الرياضية دي it means what? It means do a sum. لما تقعد تفكر كده في مسألة رياضة يبقى أنت كده بتdo a sum. Okay. يبقى again take care that it comes with the verb do. Fine. طيب it equals what? It equals work out. Again it equals work out. Work out a sum. Do a sum. Let's see an example. Do you usually do a sum in history or in math? Again, do you usually do a sum in history or in math? أنا ممكن أشيل كلمة do a sum وأحط مكانها. Yes, برافو عليكم. Excellent. Work out a sum. Okay. Let's see the next one. The next one which is business. Take care guys. خلي بالكم ان كلمة business عندنا مرة بتيجي في الانجليش countable ومرة بتيجي uncountable. مرة بتتعد ومرة ما بتتعدش. طيب تعالوا نشوف uncountable الأول. بتيجي معناها ايه؟ طيب زي ما عندنا هنا في الاكسرسايز My father traveled to London on business. يعني business بمعنى الشغل. Okay, يبقى this is the first one. أول حاجة لو جت بمعنى شغل. Okay, fine. الشغل in general. طيب if it's countable لو جت بقى بتتعد. If it's countable يبقى أنا أقدر أحط لها ES في الآخر. Businesses. Businesses. Okay. طيب it means what؟ كده بيبقى معناها إيه؟ بيبقى معناها زي اللي موجود في الإكسرسايز هنا. The biggest computer software businesses in the world become interested in computer programming. Actually نفس النظام معناها كلمة شغل بس in different fields في المجالات معناها المجالات بتاعة الشغل عندي فأنا أقدر أقول field وfield وfield أقدر أعدهم يعني يبقى countable. Okay. يبقى if it's talking about fields لو بتتكلم عن الفيلدز يبقى it's going to be businesses countable. But if I'm talking about business in general, no, business in general it mustn't be countable. ما ينفعش اخدها countable, it must be uncountable. Okay. يبقى take care of this. خلي بالك من التريك دي علشان ممكن تتلخبط بيها في الاكزام وتلاقي نفسك معرفتش هي countable ولا uncountable. Okay, let's see the next one. At a high level. At a high level, it means what? Let's see from this example. The American University in Cairo would help him to study math at a high level. يعني على قدر عالي، على مستوى عالي. Okay. ما بقولش in a high level، ما بقولش on عشان هي على قدر عالي أو على مستوى عالي. ما بقولش on a high level. No, never. لازم it comes with the preposition at. لازم تيجي مع ال preposition at. So at a high level, the American University in Cairo would help him to study math at a high level. Okay, the next one is 6-year-old. Fine. 6-year-old خلينا نشوف the meaning of it. بس at first أنا عايزاكم تحفظوها بالشكل ده. يعني year it's going to be year مش years. ما ينفعش أحط لها اس مثلا. Okay. ال dashes دي maybe I can find it and maybe not. Okay. So let's make it more clear with this example. 6-year-old عبلة وائل from Cairo couldn't do her math homework. يعني البنت اللي عندها 6 سنين اللي اسمها عبلة، so اللي هي ذات ال6 سنوات. لما أقول ذات ال10 سنوات يبقى 10-year-old محمد. محمد ذات ال10 سنوات. لما أقول for example جده اللي عنده 75 سنة يبقى 75-year-old grandfather، الجد اللي عنده 75 سنة and so on. Okay. يبقى ذات ال75. Again guys لازم I have to say year not years. Okay. عشان هتلاقوها بعد كده في ال choices الاختيارات وما تتلخبطوش فيها. Okay. Let's see an exercise for the vocabulary. بقى احنا كده اتكلمنا على ال vocabulary that talking about achievements اللي بتتكلم على ال achievements، واتكلمنا على ال language notes وقلنا ان ال language notes دي very important so you have to take care of it. يبقى لازم دلوقتي نروح لل exercise to check if you could understand or not. Let's see. The first exercise is choose the correct answer from A, B, C or D. وقلنا الإكسرسايز ده غالبا بتلاقوه عندكم في الامتحان، يبقى you have to take care عشان ما تتلخبطوش فيه. Let's check our understanding. The first one is a space is a person with a very highly developed brain. Yes, أنا سامعة my students بيجاوبوا من غير ما يسمعوا ال choices. برافو علينا. عشان احنا عملنا mention before lazy, genius, stupid, or cheerful. Yes, excellent. It's going to be genius. Genius is the person with a very highly developed brain. Okay. The second one is I studied computer programming and got several awards, or shows. So I studied computer programming and I got, as long as I did an achievement. طالما عملت achievement أنا باخد إيه على achievement دي؟ Yes, great, right. It's going to be awards. Award is mean a prize. Then we have, when you improve your English, you can easily study at a high place, light, show, level. Yes, I hear you. Great. احنا قلنا ده في language note من شوية. قلنا at a high level. Excellent. Fine, let's continue. The ability of doing something carefully is called sun, skill, skull, or system. يعني to have the ability to do something carefully. This means that you have, yes, right, you have the skill to do it. Okay, so the answer is going to be skill. Then we have Dalia finished her study at university. She is a new colleague, graduate, classmate, and study. Yes, excellent. This is right. It's going to be a new graduate. Okay, because I said before, when you finish your study at the university, so you're going to be a graduate. Okay, you're graduated from. Then we have, my brother is very good at math. He does many space correctly. He does many sums. He does meaning. He does words. Or he does questions. Yes, excellent. As long as I'm talking about math, so it's going to be sums. Sums, it means what? It means مسائل الرياضة you have to work them out or to solve them. Okay, or to do sums. Then the next one, if you stand on one leg, you may space over. Feel, fall, fell, or fly. Yes, right. كانت موجودة عندنا في language note which is fall over. Okay, fall over يعني يقع. Fall over يقع على الأرض، يقع whatever الplace اللي هيقع فيه. Okay, so you stand on one leg, you may fall over. And take care, fall F-A-L-L. ما تتلخبطش من السبيلنج اللي مكتوب ده كله. Then we have the 6-space-old girl couldn't do her math homework. The 6 years, the 6 year, the 6 years with apostrophe S, and the 6 years with S apostrophe. Yes, right, my dear students. Excellent. I can hear you. احنا قلناها برضو من شوية في language notes إنه the 6-year-old girl. Okay. وقلت مش بضيف لكلمة year أي addition. يعني ما ينفعش أقول S أو apostrophe S أو S apostrophe or whatever. Fine. Okay. So let's see the next one. We have here the students used the space from the experiment to draw a graph. Can you remember the word graph? فاكرين كلمة graph? Graph it means yes, right, excellent. أخدناها في اليونت اللي فات كان معناها رسم بياني. Okay, so they are going to use Wi-Fi, data, smartphone, or message. Fine, so they are going to be what? They are going to use, right, data. Data, why? Because when I use graph, لما باجي أعمل رسم بياني, I have to use the data. Then, you can use the internet in this cafe because it has space, Wi-Fi, TV, e-book, or laptop. So what can help us to connect with the internet, to keep in touch with the internet or to connect with it? Yes, excellent. We can use the Wi-Fi, okay, and most of the cafes nowadays has Wi-Fi. Scientists are given space every year in a big festival. Medicine, experiments, rewards, and awards. Again, the scientists are going to have what? Yes, right, are going to have awards for their achievements. And we said before that the meaning of awards, it means prize. Okay, fine. Let's see. Is a small computer that you can carry with you. What do you mean by that? TV you can carry with you? Sure, no. Laptop, phone, or ebook? Yes, excellent. It's going to be laptop. The laptop, it's like a small computer that you can carry with you. Then you can buy new sports space at that sports shop. Yards, equipment, information, or a club. So actually the sport always has the sport equipment, okay? And by the way, take care, the equipment always, it's uncountable. So I cannot say with this, equipments, okay? So it's going to be equipment even if it's plural. You can buy new sports equipment at the sports shop. Can you tell me about Ahmed's wheels in chemistry? Ahmed's wheels what? Ahmed's wheels achievements, or Ahmed's wheels races, or Ahmed's wheels places, or Ahmed's wheels classes? Yes, very good. Ahmed's wheels achievements. Okay, Ahmed's wheels achievements in chemistry. So I want you to tell me about it. Then we have spending your time in a STEM school with your friends can be very space experience. Can you be very rewarding experience, or hard-working experience, or developing experience, or polluting experience? So yes, I want you concentrate in this sentence. Maybe it's somehow a little bit hard. Spending your time in a STEM school with your friends can be very, yes, excellent, very hard-working experience. Actually, this is the end of our lesson. We didn't finish Unit 5 yet, but we finished the vocabulary and the opposites. Take care of the language notes and the exercise that we took. See you next time, and bye-bye.